Hey guys, welcome back to another video. About with my cousin. Where are you?
I'm here.
Where? Oh, I'll join you. Oh, let's change to pink team.
Huh? No, I'm blue.
Huh? No, change to pink team. Then you join to pink.
Okay.
Cause it's near to the box.
Oh, fine.
You know, it's kind of cool. Okay, I'm allowing. But today my brother didn't came because he's busy. You know what happened?
He's playing jailbreak.
And what happened? He's practicing because he's the worst in jailbreak. Oh, okay. Let's watch the clip. I can.
I played Minecraft.
Huh? I thought you playing jailbreak.
Oh. Okay, I'm gonna note. Okay, I'm gonna notebook. Okay, hey, please do not disturb. Go.
Use a kid as a cute that boat.
Okay, I'm noting the board.
Okay.
Here it is.
Okay, I help you build the protection because I'm noob.
Hit the door side. You don't even need to go to the side.
No, I'm helping you, bro.
Hello, there's something wrong with this Minecraft.
I'm going for this way. It's like this way. I'm leaving the door open for you first. Should you allow him?
No.
No. You want?
Put all the doors.
You want or do you want?
Do I not?
You want to invite him?
No, I
No,
don't
but-
invite anybody.
Because I invite some people who are good. Some people are very bad. Sometimes they just like.
When you build one block, they launch
Oh, or we decide later, okay?
Oh no, should I have done this door bit? Maybe it'll block the cannon.
Yeah, I think. I think that's we decide later. No, yes or no?
No.
Okay, goodbye.
I'm not a friendly
I'm
person.
playing build boat now. Your server.
Huh? No, don't join us.
Wait,
I'm ready join.
Then you go to another team.
I'm blue team.
okay, let's have a fight. Who wins? Ryan and me versus
What's your real
you.
name?
No, I mean, wait. And one more thing, guys. And don't think it's Ryan. His name is Prisha.
YouTube video. I'm going to make a YouTube video. Please share. Please share.
Okay, and also he is also making and taking away. Okay, I
I'm
don't.
making a YouTube video.
Wow.
I thought you did have a YouTube channel.
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel.
Alright, I'm deleting those blocks my way, and I.
Okay, I
Whoa.
put cannons ready.
Property.
Yeah.
Okay, good. They sit to be.
I put one button.
Let's get out of a YouTube channel. I prank you.
Hey, don't do the single point. Sit on one chair. You want to sit on the mat?
Close the doors.
I want to do it.
Okay.
Who do you know I need to
Yeah, call. Pull me hand.
Hey, there's one guy in our team.
What?
Hey, you get out, get out. Let's launch. Launch. Die.
Happy launch.
Yeah, launch it.
Hey, this guy. He's inside.
Hey, wait, he's on yellow team. I think he jumped into our team. Oh no, a really
launch it.
really bad man you are.
Get out.
Get out. This is not your laboratory.
Oh no, he's taking our things.
Hey, he fell down.
Wow. He's a total noob.
Hey, no thing up
What
but
are you really at?
I put a lot of chairs. I put all my chairs. Oh yes, you fired one. Oh no, one piece broke. One
Okay.
piece broke. Oh, all my cannons died.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know why it died.
I think it's big. Wait, is this mine or oh no? I think it's not. I think it didn't break.
I know it's my cannon. Is it?
Really?
It broke. Yeah.
I don't know that it breaks.
Broke, not break.
It-
Hey, there's a piece in front of us that's helping us destroy them.
Oh yeah, huh? It's actually.
Why you shoot wrongly?
Oops, sorry.
Oh, see?
Oh, I think it's shooting all the way to. I go shoot the moon. It shot all the way to outer
There's
space.
no moon in this game.
Then.
Yeah, no. These are your team.
Huh? Yeah, our team.
Oh no! I said they invited him. Okay, oh guys, and also one thing. And also please slash and like down below and subscribe for this video and see if my brother is a jerk.
He's a jerk.
I'm not sure.
You're a big jerk.
We have to
Oh, you
do it.
fire yourself.
If he is not a jerk, he must be a pro at this game. Show me that you
You could be
are
an amateur or something.
Anyways, how much gold do you have?
337.
One.
I got 600. I have 635.
How many you have in Bubblegum Simulator?
I got to change my account.
I think I'm zero. I have too many. Over 80
You
times.
got your master.
Oh no, the books.
Your master.
Oh no.
Oh no, the piece in front is only helping us destroy the smooth. Hey, the books is happening.
I shot.
Oh yes, you shot one rock.
I just shot too many rocks right now.
How are the books fire by itself? It's called book burn.
I just shot one over here. Oh, our table defense.
Oh yeah.
Cause
the defense in front is still working.
the table defense is very lousy. One hit is already gone. One hit is gone. It's the most common.
Oh no, pumpkin balls.
Shoot it.
Ouch.
Oh look.
Oh my god.
Oh my.
That was a boss.
Oh no, it's working.
Wait, but it's shielding us. Look, we got shield now.
Oh yeah, good. But we'll break our floor.
Oh no. But the laser killed its own block.
Oh, it hit it. Come on, he put us up, right?
Nope. Oh, we did. Oh, fire the dumb pumpkin, even though it won't work, but I don't care.
But we have to do it. Oh my god.
Oh no, we put it wrongly.
It's up because it's up. Yes.
Oh.
No, I'm not. At the same guy. I think it's a noob in this game.
I think someone in your team.
No, I did it.
Oh no, let's try to go to the volcano.
What happened? Oh.
Try to go to the volcano.
Oh no. But
No,
let's
you're
just.
too far.
Come on. Yes. I'm the outline.
Oh yes.
Yay. Oh no.
We need to go to the volcano before it erupts.
I know, but
Then it will be a gigantic transfer.
we need a jetpack for that.
No, we don't need a jetpack. We can climb the volcano.
Really?
Yeah, we can climb the volcano.
Oh my god. No.
Oh my god, it's still coming.
Okay.
Okay, it's gone.
Okay. I just shot one thing.
It's swelling.
Okay. Oh no, I hate this so much. I hate bombs.
We'll be hitting.
The bomb is not infected. Oh no. Oh.
Oh, luckily my protection.
How's I notice?
We'll be hitting.
It's not the cannon I'll show you. You see, it's not even
Yeah,
infected.
it's not effective.
Oh my god. Oh my, it's close to me. It's kidding me. Because
But the washing machines are best.
how's like I don't even can. How's like it's not even effective on it. The cannons don't work on it. Oh no, I hate. Oh my god. You shoot. Oh, you shoot us. What is that pirate? Hey, yo, stop.
You are bad guys. I will freaking kick you.
Oh, yo, stop or I shoot.
Oh my god, what happened? We did.
Haha, I shoot that pirate ship. It's not effective. It's not effective.
Of course it's not effective.
Oh my god, our top defense.
I wish I got a mega cannon. I could just shoot everything.
There is a mega cannon. I'll show you. Look at this. Look at sharp. This is the mega cannon.
Yeah, no.
It's so cool.
Oh no! Oh no!
Ah!
Machine!
Machine! Oh, you
Oh,
made
I got plus 60 gold.
I have a 60 also.
I want to buy the legendary chest. That's why I'm saving. Okay, let's go and build another boat. Oh,
What's?
it's swelling so bad. Even did you just fart?
No, I didn't. What?
Oh, Charon! Let's go and build on Charon boat.
Yeah.
Why you laugh like that? So weird.
Sorry, it's just
Is
mine.
that friend?
I don't know. That's mine, and I don't even care about mine now. Here, do you want mine? I noticed.
Let's go.
Let's go on my boat.
Why just suddenly this barrier thingy?
I put it here. Right now,
You should put it under your boat.
not too heavy.
Oh,
It will break.
it doesn't matter.
It's heavy or it goes slower.
No, it doesn't matter.
It matters about.
This is pumpkin.
I mean the sofa. Something.
Yeah, he died somehow.
Are you
Whoa.
done?
No, I'm still building, okay? Hey, are you in a boat?
Yeah, no, it's not. Oh, let's have a fight,
But
okay?
it's again too bad.
Huh? Ira, what you said?
No, I never. Titi is the one because he.
I'm not even in the chair.
No, Titi because he done it because he left the game, so it will set itself. Titi, why did you do that?
I framed you.
I'll play you
Oh,
it.
this time I will see you build your boat. Then when
I
you're
shot
not on the
you
boat, I
in the
release a
ear.
boat. Ah!
The
And I-
last video I showed you in the that I showed you.
And I chose you in Candlelight Heaven.
Only one.
Yeah, I'll try you in real life.
Yeah.
I'll put an earthworm on your bed.
And you'll be like, squeeze it. So,
Oh, yeah, show one rock.
oh no, I
Oh, wait,
missed.
didn't work.
It missed. I
No,
missed.
it hit.
No, it missed. I missed the shot.
Oh, no, there's no one. Oh, you missed.
Oh no.
Hit too high. Yeah, hit.
Wait, you want? You want? Oh, what happened? What just happened to mine?
Hit high.
Not.
Hit? It's not breaking the rock.
You want him to join?
No.
Yes, I know.
No.
Why does so many people joining our team?
These are too good. I actually remember.
Actually, I
You
think
know,
that.
you know my friend, he got 400 wooden blocks.
Whoa.
He's,
I think I know why. I think I know why.
He plays too much with blocks.
I know why people want to join us. Yeah, I think they know that we are YouTubers right now.
No, how would they know?
The heck?
Logic.
No, because I think they watched our channel. What's happening? Do we need to reconnect right now?
No, the rock. The rock.
I tried once. Oh, is this your something? Is...
Well, then you need to tap this one first.
Oh.
I didn't know it. I always just keep tapping it.
Get it. This one doesn't work. Oh, I say shoot down.
No, that was me.
Wait. Look at the cannons. They're not upright. Oh, destroy our cannons. All our cannons already broke. Yeah, one cannon broke.
Oh no!
Wait.
Oh my god, what's this?
Why she sounds like watching something? Our cannons still okay?
No, it's.
What is is it lagging? I think we are lagging. I think we are lagging right now.
Even
Let's
though this is such a. Oh, pumpkin level. Pumpkin boss.
shoot him!
Don't close the doors yet.
Okay, shoot him! Close the doors!
How many of them? Oh, they're screaming like girl. Oh no, laser!
Oh, did they hit us? Yes, we know that. Shoot!
I wish it was.
No, it didn't. I went on the pumpkin before using a jetpack. Oh, what? Yeah, on my computer, you know.
Oh my god.
You want Wicked? Wait, who is Wicked? Who is Wicked? Okay, I think my.
Terrence, we got it.
Oh my god! Should we end it?
No.
No, you are Wicked right now.
Oh no, washing machine.
Hey, we got it!
Washing machine.
Ah, it's breaking all our cannons. Shoot!
Shoot.
Oh no, it broke. We got no more cannons.
Oh no.
Ah! Wicked! Oh, we're upside down!
Oh no.
Oh my god, we're upside down!
Ah, so what? It's good. What
Okay, we're close. You just need to go up. Okay.
do we do? I haven't got past the washing machine yet because of Toto.
Yeah.
Oh, swelling I have.
Oh,
Look. It's getting
Oh.
bigger by a second. Oh wait, it's sinking. Nice. I didn't know that.
it's going up. It's taking time going up like a toilet.
Oh yeah.
You want him to come?
Oh no, there's a switch.
You want this guy to come?
Who's the no?
This guy. Now's our chance to play.
Oh, it's a toothbrush as well.
That
Oh, but boat shut it down.
oh my gosh! We need epic right We need to make it. And we got no more cannons. We lost all of
Oh
them.
no, what? We no cannons?
Yeah, we lost all of
I
them.
didn't see.
They all broke it. They all broke.
Oh no.
The shark! Oh my god! They're very powerful. They can eat and almost break our rocks
I
into.
know.
Why are we not moving? No, we are not allowing this guy to come. I don't even know him.
Fire! Why we no cannons? Oh, I keep forgetting now.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh no. We made it past. The shark didn't eat. The shark didn't eat.
Yay!
Yes.
They have a celebration.
Hello, good morning. Wait, how may I help you?
Celebration, huh?
Oh no, pirate!
Oh, come on, why are we outside? Wait, why are we not moving? And they're not shooting us.
Oh no, don't tell me us we're disconnected. Okay, they're going there.
Yeah, we're never this.
Pirate, you better not kill them.
Oh, wait, I'm gonna see the pirate.
Oh yeah! Oh no, oh no.
Yo, matey.
I died.
You died, bro. There's so many.
Oh, my chair broke. Let me upside down so I can go up.
Oh yeah, we don't even have fence over here. Oh! I'm dying. I also die.
No, the pirate's too hard. So let's build that one.
I'll find out one last round, okay? One last round.
Oh, you're still recording?
Yeah, one last round, okay?
I know, a few more rounds. Wait, one last round. I want to buy a legendary chest first.
Oh, how many do you? I already got enough. 442.
What? Hey, so
I got
rich.
enough.
You're so rich.
I'm 635.
Where are you? Oh, sorry.
I'm gonna note the boat. I'm loading.
Okay, load it on me. Oh my god, there's somebody! Look!
I faint already. I faint.
I saw your boat. And look at your boat. Look at the river. Look at the river.
Wait. What?
I built this boat for no reason. To see you. I think you should change theme to yellow.
No.
Why? I don't yellow theme, I white theme.
Because I'm Batman.
Yeah.
Batman.
Batman.
Yeah, Batman. You still building?
How do you build protection?
Oh, okay. I also build one banner so I can go. Well, I can zoom out so my ship is around.
I'm building the set protection now. Wait, later I'll hope about flip over again.
Yeah, I know. The triangle piece are sold out. They're so common. Should I buy the legendary one now?
No.
But should I buy it?
Okay, it's up to you.
No, I'm going to have one more round, then I'll buy it.
I recommend.
No.
I'm going to go. No. 412.
How many? Oh, 304.
I'm so noob, okay?
It's
You
405.
don't blame me.
And I'm not gonna blame you. Of course.
I'm putting on my chairs.
So we
I
can.
have enough. Oh, I still have a lot.
Whoa, we got so much defense.
I cannot put in front of the cannon or disrupt it.
Yeah, I
And
know.
then there is this block you cannot.
Cause like it will shoot somewhere. I'll go check on the surface. Okay, way enough to buy the epic one. The measuring tape, you can adjust how big the box is, and it's 9,000 gold. Almost 10,000. Look,
Oh my god.
you need so much. You need Robux to buy. Are you dying?
Huh? No?
I found balloons. Balloons for 300, and I got enough.
Huh? You got. Then what does balloon do?
It makes you fly.
Oh really?
I know, but it doesn't work too heavy. I found jetpacks for 700. You get 2, and it's just enough. We can just fly there.
Oh, okay. I'll save up for my jetpack.
I almost can buy jets already. I got 635.
Now I'm putting the cannons on top.
If I go to the treasure, I got enough to buy jetpacks. Ah, pumpkin!
You stop bragging right there, or I'll come here and punch your face.
Pumpkin, the pumpkin's such a big horrible troll. He throw the grass very lousy, but he's good at shooting lasers.
He's a pest. Cause it's Halloween.
He is Halloween. Hello. Halloween the wind.
Halloween.
I'm not wind.
You're Mr.
Halloween
Wee.
just need to give candies.
Okay, let's go.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm done.
Bye, pumpkin.
Wait, no, I still got one more block.
Yeah.
Wait, I still got 7 more blocks.
You will-
Wow!
Attacking me, pumpkin. Ah, pumpkin, that pumpkin.
You're talking to a dumb pumpkin. Do you think he'll understand you?
Nope.
Oh, I haven't put my door yet. Yeah, I still got one more block.
I'm going over.
Okay, then let's go. You run.
I still
Launch
loading a
it,
boat.
launch it,
I launched.
launch it.
Okay, let's go. We are on track.
Let's shoot our cannons.
Oh no! Why the cannon drop down?
You pooped it. You're the one who put it.
No.
Why?
Okay, I just use the cannon right now.
You ready?
Why is it so slow?
It's too far.
Oh no, please don't think we must reconnect. There's some kind of issue.
Oh my god, my blister's getting bigger and bigger. Look. Don't touch it.
Oh my god, it's so slow. I'm
So slow.
You're not catching up, you. Look at this.
Hey, you want to go back here?
Shoot him!
Rusty Mesa.
Wow, you shoot! Oh no, right behind us!
He's gonna shoot us. Oh wait, no
I
cannon.
don't cannon.
Shoot him! Shoot him! Shoot him! He's right behind us!
Shoot your own boat.
Shoot this guy! Oh no! She's
Misa.
He's dodging our attack.
no, the rock protected.
What's the bandage? What's the bandage? You don't mind.
Oh no! He's coming! He can't jump me back!
Oh!
No!
He's so fast.
Because it's not laggy.
Bye bye.
No! You don't cause us to re-upload.
The pumpkin will beat you up to the punch.
Okay, guys.
You'll be flying
You
out
can
of
just
it.
wait for a while and I'll pause.
When are you
But,
going?
okay, let's wait, bye. Okay, guys, as you see, I paused the video.
I'm ready to pumpkin.
And we are still,
Okay, the pumpkin will destroy you. I already know it.
yeah, your boat is too small.
Ah, show one rock.
Yes, we did it.
Hey, didn't show anything.
Okay. I'll stop
It didn't even
it.
show anything.
Hey, now it's faster now. Yeah. Okay, guys.
I
as you-
use the booster.
Ah, we don't boosters, okay? We don't have boosters.
Oh, my chair broke.
Oh no, it's laggy again. Slow again.
Oh my gosh. I'm so angry right now.
The monkey throws that at my chair.
Marshmallows.
Oh, good,
Okay,
thanks.
show one rock. Oh no, why you show the
No, it blocked me. Should this walk all the way here?
Oh, so far,
Yes.
also accurate.
I died.
I shoot the
Shoot
steering
the
wheel.
tool.
I shoot the steering
Yeah, I
wheel.
can buy jetpacks already.
What?
How do I?
I shot that. I missed.
Yay!
Shoot!
Yeah,
I
you shot
shoot.
it. Because it's double eyebrows.
Oh, it's taking so long.
It's so old. Ah, I show one rock.
Oh my god, I'm sleeping now.
But you're not sleeping. Oh yeah, well you wasted that one. We're not hitting the rock.
No, I wait. I think it may be big, so I just hit it. Yeah, it's true. Hey, I remember you
Where
hit
you at
the
now?
more walks you hit, the more gold you have.
We're still at the library.
So slow.
I
Okay.
just passed the library.
Oh really? Oh, did you?
Oh no.
It cost-
Wait, here.
I passed
The
the
thing blocked
yeah,
me.
I passed the pumpkin.
So did you die?
Yeah.
Why did you die?
So that I'm be a better boat.
But your boat is super lousy and you can't defeat us. We are the pro in this game.
You are a hacker.
You're never hacker.
Oh God. Yeah, hit one. I'm a mega super god.
Super mega god.
How will we lagging again?
I don't know why.
Oh snap.
No, I'm not.
Oh snap.
What do you say, oh snap?
Your boat is so bad.
You
Your
don't.
boat is even more bad, okay? Your boat is just one block. That's a chair. Our boat's so slow.
I got 10 blocks.
I got 18 blocks.
I 1 million blocks.
That's not possible.
Yeah, 1 minute play this forever.
What time is up there? 1 million blocks.
I won't.
No, I won't fall for your trick. You
Just
will try.
kidding lah.
See? Oh no, this is monkey. Look, you can do this.
Yeah, I also know that I can do it too.
Oh, that's fine.
Torches?
Monkey.
Why did you do that for?
I didn't do it.
You shot the cannon.
Hey,
I shoot one rock.
Oh yeah, pumpkin, die in the pumpkin. You better die in the pumpkin.
No,
Pumpkin, you are miss.
you're such a
You
bad.
better die in the pumpkin.
You never. Oh, you shot the pumpkin. What's that for? And you miss.
Oh,
Oh no, they're lagging. Oh no, oh, we got shit out.
You're dying.
oh no, you're slower than before.
Lagging.
It's even slower than before.
You're so slow.
It means I can catch at you.
The pumpkin is so slow.
Okay, guys, that's it for today.
No, just pause the video.
Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy yourself and please subscribe if I'm gonna stay here forever. Bye bye, people. Bye bye.
You're gonna cry.